SMF MMT network, our MMT students, we'd like to pull out here the BGZ. It's large cap bear, and we can see that the bear side, when you buy these ETFs, you can make money because it can protect your downside risk, and they're good to use as hedging instruments or just trading instruments in general. That's the one that we'll look at. Here is the TYP. This one too is also a tech. It's a tech bear 3X. And we'll be taking a lot of these, looking at these in our training session. I will take a look also here at this one here. This is the SH or the EDZ. The thing about this one here is it's been building a little bit of a base, not much of one, but it's starting to work a little bit. Another one that you would want to know is this SDS that you hear us talk about. This is the ultra short S&P 500, and it's had a breakout. Remember that these particular, when you get really overbought, you can get really oversold on these bear funds, and they're trading vehicles for profits when you have big down days in the market like today. The other one that's good to look at here is going to be this one here, and if you were, that's called the DXD. That's the Dow. Basically, you can play those 30 stocks here to the downside. They too got monthly or daily buy signals as well. And so when you do have down markets, it's okay to trade these and take a profit because those are going to go up and the other ones are going to go down. Let's take a look at the small cap one here. And this small cap one, it too has had a big daily breakout and has come up off of its bottoms as far as that goes. The semiconductor one, now that's another one. If you, at times, the SSG here is when semis don't do well, it's time to buy over here. And you can make money on the down days in the market. There are instruments and things that can be done. Let's take a look at the China 25. That thing has been burning up there. That's that China ultra short there. There are many of them here. Here's a REW technology again. And all of these bear technologies of different type of ETFs have been moving higher. One of the things that we really like to focus on is the higher volume one. And we got, and what do I mean by that is that when we start looking at where the volume is, a lot of volume right here on the TZA, and that's a small cap bear. And it's got 17 million traded. When we kind of go down here, here's 9 million. This is that ultra short 20 years ETF here, and it's been coming up and working its way up slightly. So we look for the higher volume ones. There's a list of these here, and they're great vehicles and great tools to use. Wow. Look at here. So large cap, small cap. Let's take a look at the Qs. Not a lot of shares on it, but nonetheless, they're certainly going up in value, and they're called bear funds or bear ETFs that you can buy in, and they cover the broader market for people. Let's take a look at this one here, which is EUM is a good one. I'm kind of froze up right now, but this one here is a very good one to look at because basically what it really tells us is it's that MS is emerging, EUM, and that one there, it's kind of flat. So when you want to look around, we do look in here, we do trade these, we will be teaching you about these, and right now we're going into the closing bell, and we got some short covering that is happening right now, and we'll be monitoring all of these various different bears and what they do. And it's all about where the volume is, and of course it's always going to be here. They don't move a lot intraday, but over a period of time, if markets are going to correct, they do go up in value. They just go up slowly now when markets correct, and you can make gains across the board.